SPM, English Paper 2. SPM, English Paper 2.
Model question. A farewell speech to a teacher. You are the head prefect of your school. The prefect master is retiring soon. Your wish to make a speech at a farewell party for him. You jot down a few points on what to say. Leaving after 20 years, longest serving teacher. Wonderful, caring, sensible. An accident, a girl came to school late, the prefect did not allow her in, call prefect master, enraged parent of girl, threatened to hit prefect teacher, stopped parent, parent apologized, I was the prefect. You jot down a few points on what to say. Many such stories. Form 3 Bureau, naughty students, love him, talks and advises them, visits during festivals, their parents know him. Role model, dedicated prefect master, never misses class, we have learnt, balance duties and lessons. Never misuse our powers, because of him, humble, yet strict, compassionate, yet upright. Learned decent prefects. Offer token of appreciation as thanks. When writing your speech, you should remember to use the speech format. Use all the notes given. End your speech by thanking the audience.
Model answer. Mr. Guram Singh, my fellow prefects, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to all of you. Today, we are all gathered here to say farewell to our beloved Mr. Guram Singh, who retires at the end of this week. As you all know, Mr. Guram has been the prefect master of our school for over 20 years. In fact, he has been the longest serving teacher in this school. As head prefect and on behalf of the prefects, I would like to express our warmest thanks and gratitude to a wonderful, caring and sensible teacher. Mr. Guram has been more than a prefect master and an advisor. He has been a friend and guardian. I am sure many of you remember the incident when an enraged parent tried to hit a prefect. That was 3 years ago. The prefect did not allow a girl to enter the school because she was more than an hour late. He called for Mr. Guram and asked the girl to wait at the gates.
The girl's father, who had driven her, was so angry that he got out of the car and threatened the prefect. The prefect stood his ground, but he was shaking inside. Luckily, Mr. Guram came along just at that time. As you know, Mr. Guram looks like a fierce and strong lion. He stopped the parent from hitting the prefect, and the parent actually apologized to the boy. My friends, I was the prefect. Mr. Guram saved me from a beating. There are many such stories about him. They all show him as a caring and wonderful man. For example, the naughty students of Form 3 Bureau love him even though he punishes them quite regularly. This is because he takes the trouble to talk to them and advise them. He even visits their homes during the festivals so that the parents get to know him too. He is truly amazing. As prefect master, he has been a role model for the prefects. We know him as upright, honest, sincere, and absolutely dedicated to his work. Despite his many duties as prefect master, he has never missed a single class. He has always been a good and responsible teacher. Through him, we have learned to balance our prefect duties with our school lessons. My friends, as prefects, we enjoy a lot of power. Sometimes, this power can go to our heads. We can become proud and misuse our power. I am happy to say that the prefects in this school are not like that, because our role model, Mr. Guram, is not like that. He is humble, yet strict, compassionate, yet upright. Through him, we have learned to be good, decent prefects, using our power wisely. Mr. Guram, thank you for being our prefect master. We hope that your retirement will be peaceful and happy. On behalf of the prefects, it is my pleasure to present you with this small token of our appreciation. Thank you very much. upright, honest, good, principled. He is a very good / trustworthy, upright man. Upright, honest, good, principled. He is a very good / trustworthy, upright man. Compassionate, feeling or showing sympathy for people who are suffering and a desire to help them. Compassionate, feeling or showing sympathy for people who are suffering and a desire to help them. Token, something that is a symbol of a feeling, a fact, an event, etc. Token, something that is a symbol of a feeling, a fact, an event, etc.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.